Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. It is that time of month where we are going to dig through my trash. It is garbage day, so let's get going because I've got a whole lot of garbage right here. A couple of food items. I've talked about this before. It's the organic Tart cherry juice powder. I have been taking Tart cherry juice for a long time because it does help with muscle recovery and it also does help you get better sleep. But I didn't want to drink the juice anymore because it has so much sugar and calories. So I then went to the powder, and all I do is add a little scoop of it into my smoothies. I will continue to buy this. It's also very rich in antioxidants, which are very good for you. The next thing is my Pitaya Plus. This is an organic freeze-dried powder dragon fruit. And I make the Sephora mango dragon fruit drink at home. It has no sugar in it, and I need the dragon fruit freeze-dried powder. I also use the frozen cubes in here, but it's so yummy, and it's a pretty color. But it's very, very good, full of antioxidants. I will order both of these items again. I went through a Bob's Red Mill Golden Flaxseed. I go through flaxseed all the time, and it is put in every single smoothie that I have. It's just really good for you. I also, for extra protein, because I don't eat meat, I use the hemp hearts, and you can sprinkle these on salads, in your cereal, on yogurt. I just put them in my smoothie to give me a little bit more protein. And then Lou has been using the Paleo protein powder. I make his smoothies with this. This is the ancient cacao. It's an egg protein with grass-fed beef protein, 26 grams of protein per serving, no dairy or whey or soy, pasteurized grass-fed beef, no hormones, minimal processing. So if you're on a paleo diet or need gluten-free, Lou likes this. I have not tasted this, but Lou likes it a lot, and I get him the chocolate and the vanilla. He prefers the chocolate. Doggy items. I have 2 golden doodles that are 2 years old, just in case you are new to my channel and don't know that. And I ordered these for my girls, and it's so cute to watch them eat these because the crunch, they actually chew them. Bindi never chewed anything. Bindi was my other dog for my new viewers. Bindi didn't chew anything. I never heard her crunch anything, and it was just swallowed. Lula and Harley, they eat things like we do. They chew them and crunch things, and it's just so cute to listen, but they love these. I want to also mention, because I can tell myself, I have new Invisalign trays in, and when you get new ones in, they do interfere with your speech a little bit more. So that's why my speech might be a little impaired. I have not gone overboard with the Botox or the surgery. Okay, my friends? All right. And I have not had a stroke. These are all things that I've been asked. Did you have a stroke? No. All right, so from Crunchy Oats, the smoking cheese explosions flavored. They love these. Absolutely love them. They think they'll do anything for me for them. And some other treats that they also have. Now, I don't treat them a lot, but I always have treats because there are certain times of the day when we practice our manners, the doggies and me. Okay? And I do reward them. So these, they love these. They're by Stella and Chewy. They're raw coated biscuits in chicken and in beef. They absolutely love these. I'll put the link below where I get all this stuff from. Okay, let's get on to my things now. All right. I always go through a raw sugar scrub. Absolutely love this. This is great if you're in a hurry and you need some moisture left behind because you don't have time to go and put body lotion all over. This is really great. It really helps with the dry skin on me. I absolutely love this. I just went and bought 2 backups because I just love it. And let's talk about things for the vaginal area, my sweet spot. I love this. I don't think that any menopausal woman, I don't think any woman should be using bar soap in that area. I think we should take care of our sweet spot, just like it says. So many of you have made the change to this, and you let me know in comments or private messages how well this has worked for you. So it's worth looking into. I'm also trying a different one right now, and maybe it'll come to you next month, okay? Mouthwash, the Tom's Wicked Fresh. I'll tell you, between the Hello Fresh and the Tom's Wicked, I like the taste of this one better. But the way my mouth feels with the Hello Fresh actually feels cleaner than it does with the Tom's. The Tom's makes my mouth inside feel a little dry, like my lips stick to my teeth. So I do prefer the taste of this one, but I like the Hello better, but the taste is not as good. But neither one of them make my insides of my mouth peel. That's why I like both of them. So that's the Toms. I finished up May Lindstrom, the Problem Solver. This is a very pricey item, but oh my, it is so wonderful. Her line is just fabulous. It does cost a lot of money, but it really is beautiful. And this lasted me a very long time. If you are really, if your skin is just so clogged up and just, you feel like you need to do a deep detox to it without damaging it, the Problem Solver by May Lindstrom is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful, but prepare to give your firstborn for it. All right, and let's see. For Louis, he finished up his Shiseido Benefiance. It's his cleansing foam. I loved this cleansing foam when I did use cleansing foams, but I haven't used cleansing foams on my face in a very long time. But Louis loves this one, and he doesn't have the dry skin that I have. I finished up, now this is a very special size of this, and it was gifted to me by a friend. This isn't what it looks like in the store. It's in a burgundy tube in the store, but I finished up the Sicily Black Rose Cream Mask. This mask is in one of the top 5 for me. I absolutely love this face mask. It's beautiful. Sicily is very, very expensive, but their products are really beautiful. All right, I finished up the Ology dry shampoo. I do like this dry shampoo. It's not my favorite. I am in the process of testing all kinds of dry shampoos because, to be honest with you, I am someone who does not like dry shampoo. I cannot stand the way they make my hair feel or look. So I'm really testing them because I know there has to be many people out there like me. And I'm going to find the one that leaves our hair feeling fresh, clean, and shiny. Yes, I am. All right, another food item that, another Tart cherry juice, actually. So we'll just let that one go by the wayside over there. Finished up some toothpaste. I did finish up a Thieves Aroma Bright. This is a wonderful toothpaste. Your mouth feels so clean when you use it, but you do have to order it through a rep. You cannot just buy this, but if you're somebody who knows someone that sells Young Living, this Aroma Bright Thieves toothpaste is so nice, and you really do get the cleanest teeth ever. But my regular toothpaste that I use every single day is by Hello, and this is the Hello Fluoride Free. I go through tubes and tubes. You've seen this probably for a year in my Empties, but I absolutely love this toothpaste. And I do have 2 of the mouthwash also by Hello. I really, like I said, I love the way this feels. There's no alcohol or dyes in here. There's no artificial sweeteners, no sulfates, nothing in here. So it really does leave your mouth just feeling nice and clean, but the taste is not perfect, okay? It's just not. I found this, and this is actually to clean my Invisalign. I also use a tablet, but sometimes I just want to brighten these up as much as I possibly can, and I don't know where I found this, but I will find it online. It's called Ever Smile White Foam. It's on-the-go cleaning and whitening for clear aligners and retainers, and it kills 99.99% of oral bacteria. It has a mild mint flavor. There's no soaking or rinsing. Fresh breath, where to go. You can actually put this in your tray and just put them on your teeth. I don't. I just spray the trays and let them sit there while I'm in the shower. And then I also soak them in my Retainer Bright solutions because these can get gross. All right, so that's this. And it just comes in a pump bottle. All right, so then I finished up a Native deodorant. This is turning out to be one of the better natural deodorants for me. I just bought the pharmacy, and although it kept me dry, it doesn't help with the stink. Okay, so I can't use it. I can't be dry and stink. I have to be, I'll go with wet, but no stink, none. And the Native, I never stink. And it's this one here was, this is the lemon zest pomegranate. But this you can find at some Targets or online, but this is really a nice natural deodorant. All right, and let's see, I finished up, let's see, I did 2 eye patches, and this is the Aqua Collagen eye pads from Martinni Beauty. You know that I use a lot of Martinni masks. I used to sell a lot of them. I haven't had a sale in masking in a very long time, quite a few years. And then I also tried this Nourishing Hydrogel lip mask. It was nice. It's not a game changer for the lips, but it was nice. It's infused with cactus and lavender extract. I did pick up a few more of them just because I'm a masking queen and I can't help myself when it comes to stuff like that. I finished up my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Caramel. It is my favorite eyebrow pencil and color. I also finished up the Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer by L'Oreal. This stuff is fabulous. You don't need to use any other brand. This is beautiful, this primer. I am trying out some other ones just so I can really know what I'm doing. And I have another raw sugar here in a different flavor. I absolutely love this stuff. Love it. And Target is always moving it around. So you just have to ask somebody. And then this product came in one of my Maple Bloom boxes, and it's called Oil. And it was a face cream. And this was really, really nice. Now it does have essential oils in it, but this was really nice on those nights that I started using my Retin A, which I'll talk about in a minute. The Retin A, as you know, is a little rough on my skin, but I do have one that's working for me, but this I would put on after I put the Retin A on, and I would sleep with it. So it's called Oil, and it came in my Maple Bloom box. I will try to find it for you. It's an all natural ingredient, so you do have to use it up. You can't just let it sit around and think you can hang on to this forever. But they also have a body cream that was very nice. And I also finished up a dry scalp treatment. Now, my scalp gets just as dry as my body, more so in the winter. So I used up this. This is by the Moroccan Oil. You know, I love the Moroccan Oil brand. And I finished this up, and it's really nice. It just comes in a dropper, and you just put it along your scalp and then massage it in. And I would do it the night before I was going to, wash my hair. I don't put it on during the day. It's always before I wash my hair. So this really did help because my scalp, I'm telling you, gets really, really dry. If you've been with me for a long time, you know that I have wanted to use Retin A for the longest time. And my skin just does not play nice with it. And this has been over years that I have been trying. Forced to stay with a retinol product, which is okay if you can't tolerate a prescription strength. So the company that I'm going to talk about, I actually saw, I would see on Instagram, or you'll see them in the beginning of some people's videos on YouTube, and you would hear all these success and stories and people with acne and how it really helped them with their conditions, because there is no guarantee that something is going to work for the next person the same way. Anyway, when they contacted me the first time, I thought, well, this just isn't for me because I don't do well with Retin A. So they contacted me again quite a few months ago, and I decided to go ahead and give it a try because I truly do want to be able to use Retin A because there is so much research behind it. And I do see so many people that use Retin A for anti-aging because Retin A can be used for skin conditions. But for me, I don't have any skin conditions, but I did want to be able to use the Retin A for anti-aging purposes. So when they contacted me the next time, I said, okay. And what the company does, and the company is Ology. Many of you may be very familiar with them. This company has healthcare professionals. They usually have like nurse practitioners or physician's assistants. And what you do is you go online, and they give you this little quiz, and then you take pictures of yourself from different angles, and you send it in, and one of their healthcare professionals formulates your Retin A according to what the information you've given them. So I know my skin very well, so I went ahead, I filled it out, I took some pictures, and I sent it in. So Ology sent me my first bottle, and I started using it once a week. The formula is 4% niacinamide, 2% azelaic acid and 0.01% tretinoin. Hard to say on its own, but put some Invisalign in your mouth and it's even harder. So I started using the product, and I've actually gone through a smaller bottle and a larger bottle. And what's really nice is they are dated. They tell you when to use this. Like this one was discard by such day, and this one is discard by such a day. So when I started using the Curology formula on my skin, I did get some of the peeling or the flaking, but what was missing was the irritation that I was getting when I would use just Retin A. I would turn red, I would get so raw in certain areas, and I would peel like crazy. So I'm not doing that with this, and I will go so far as to say that my skin has really acclimated to it well. The only place that I still get a little flaking is right underneath my nose. But to be honest, I think it's because I am drippy nose Tammy, and my nose drips a lot. And I think because I'm constantly rubbing it, it's just a little raw there. So I think when I'm putting my products on, it might be drying out because I'm having no issues. I think I started using this in January of this year. I didn't write the date on the bottle. I usually do write the date when I start something, but I think it was January of this year, and it's now the end of May. I've already gone through my second bottle. Well, it's almost empty. I wanted to put it in my empties anyway because I already have my new bottle for my next couple of months. Anyway, I am now using it 4 nights a week with no irritation. That's what's important to me, that I don't have the irritation. So I'm hoping that as I continue to use this, I'll still be, it's not too late for me to reap the benefits of Retin A. All right, so I did want to tell you, they did send that to me, and I will have a link below for you that you can get your first bottle free, but you will have to take the little quiz, and you will have to send them, I think they do a side shot, front shot, side shot. You do have to send that so that their healthcare professional is familiar with what you look like, and also what your little quiz answers tell them about your skin. They will then formulate your formula, okay? And then from there on, it's delivered either, I think you can do it monthly with them or every couple of months, depending on the size, because I do have a smaller bottle, and now I get the larger bottles, okay? So at least your first bottle free. I think it's worth a try, my friends, because if you're anything like me and have very dry skin and it reacted to full strength Retin A, and I always started out with the weakest formulas, and I still could not. And I've been using this through the winter. And you all know, if you've been following me for a long time, I wasn't able to use, I always had to stop the Retin A in the winter. It tore me up. So this formulation of niacinamide, azelaic acid, and tretinoin is working for me. Okay? All right, so that's it. In the comments, let us know what's going on in your life, my friends, all right? Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all my crazy videos. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.